So when we talk about blockchain, right, blockchain is actually a technology, as we have discussed in the definition of blockchain network, right? Not blockchain network, in the definition of blockchain, where we talked about that blockchain is a distributed immutable ledger, right? So this is the definition of blockchain. It is a technology. Well, when we talk about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is actually a protocol slash coin. Not only Bitcoin, we have other protocols also like Waves, we have Ethereum, and definitely other protocols are also there. And all these protocols are actually using blockchain as a technology. Okay. Now, what are these protocols? Protocols are basically rules. Like if we talk about in our Web2 world, in our internet world, we have different set of protocols. We have HTTP protocol, we have TCP/IP protocol, we have UDP protocol. So there are different protocols which defines like how we are going to communicate over the internet, how the file transfer over the internet will take place. So each and everything is actually being done on the internet using these protocols. In the same way, for our Web3 world, for our blockchain world, we have these different set of protocols which defines how people who are connected to the blockchain network are going to communicate with each other, how many cryptocurrencies they will be like, how the how miner will be rewarded with the cryptocurrencies, how miner are going to solve a mathematical problem. All these things are actually rules which are implemented in these protocols. Okay. So for example, you can understand in this way also that technology, when we say blockchain is just like YouTube. Okay, YouTube is a platform, right? YouTube is a technology on which we can have different set of videos. So these protocols that you are seeing, right, these are like your videos. So you can have different varieties of videos, different set of protocols, like different varieties of videos over the YouTube. In the same way, you can have different protocols on this blockchain technology. Now let us see this more with the help of an example. So we are on the site of blockchain.com Explorer. So here you can see that we have different blocks of our Bitcoin blockchain. So this is using our blockchain technology. So let me click on one of the blockchain. So let me show you this. Okay, let me open this in new tab. Let us see this. Okay. So this is how our block of a blockchain looks like. We are going to talk about in great detail about this in our upcoming videos, but for now, just have a look at it. So this is block number 7522253. Okay. And this is the hash. As we discussed, a block consists of a hash. This is the height. This is the miner, which is unknown currently. This is the fee reward, the amount the miners has received after mining this block. So you can see that there are different set of fields, right? And these are all the transactions that are present in our block. So as I said, right, a block can have multiple transactions. So all these things are done via blockchain technology, by using blockchain technology. Now let us have a look at Bitcoin protocol. So this is our Bitcoin protocol. Okay, so this is the GitHub repository, and in this, just search for Bitcoin GitHub. Just type Bitcoin GitHub and you will have this repository, and inside this you will see the rules and regulations are written about the Bitcoin protocol. For Ethereum, it is Ethereum protocol, and for that there can be different set of rules. For Bitcoin, there are different set of rules. Okay, so you can see this. A lot of files are there, right? Like chain.cpp, where each and everything about how transaction will be done on Bitcoin, how people are going to communicate over Bitcoin, each and everything is present in this Bitcoin protocol. Okay, so this is what protocols are all about. I hope you understand about these protocols. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment below. I will definitely solve your doubts and queries. If you have liked this video, please do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to regularly upload blockchain courses on this channel. If you want to communicate with me directly, you can ping me on Instagram. I'm available there. If you want to join our Discord blockchain developer community, links are given in the description. You can join from there. 2000 plus members are there at the time of making this video, and you can have your doubts solved there also. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.